If you're looking for the best under-eye creams, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Row C Retinol Correction Eye Cream. This well-rounded eye cream powered by retinol has a reputation for successfully tackling recurring eye-related concerns, puffiness, dark circles, and crow's feet, because of its effectiveness and lower price tag. This anti-aging formula comes highly recommended by both dermatologists and people who want smoother under eyes without spending a small fortune. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Paulas Choice Resist Anti-Aging Eye Gel. If eye creams irritate your eyes and cause you to tear up, try an eye gel. This one feels light, but still packs a serious moisturizing punch, thanks to a formula heavy in hyaluronic acid and peptides. It comes with a metallic tip so it feels extra cooling and soothing on impact. The number 3 position is held by Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. This is by far the best reviewed eye cream on Amazon, with close to 31,000 5-star reviews. It contains hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and 3 different plant extracts. Reviewers love its affordable price point and praise its ability to soothe chapped, irritated, and very sensitive skin. Next at number 4, we have ELEPHANTC-Tango TM Multivitamin Eye Cream. This cream from beloved natural beauty line Elephant takes a maximalist approach with not 1 but 5 different types of vitamin C, known for its skin lightening properties. It's a creamy, soothing mixture that blends easily into the thin under-eye skin. The number 5 position is held by CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. With the onslaught of online retailers and fast and free shipping, your days of running out to the store may be few and far between. But when you need eye cream, and you need it now, you still have options. Thanks to CeraVe Eye Repair Cream, finding a good eye cream at a drugstore is totally doable. The eye cream is formulated to treat dark circles and puffiness, and it even comes dermatologist recommended. According to Deborah Jalliman, MD, Assistant Professor of Dermatology at Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai, and author of the book, Skin Rules, Trade Secrets from a Top New York Dermatologist, CeraVe Eye Repair Cream is also great for fine lines and wrinkles. It has antioxidants, ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and jojoba. She explains, all these ingredients have great moisturizing properties. The number 6 position is dominated by MyCHELLE Perfect C Eye Cream. Not all antioxidants are created equal, including vitamin C. The popular skin care ingredient comes in many forms, but L-ascorbic acid is the most effective at protecting skin from premature aging due to photo damage. And that's exactly what you'll find in MyCHELLE Perfect C Eye Cream plus cucumber fruit extract, which is known for helping hydrate skin. For that, it wins Best Vitamin C Eye Cream. But that's not the only award the brand has received for its top-notch vitamin C. MyCHELLE also won the Antioxidant Superiority Award from the Clean Label Project, a nonprofit dedicated to truth and transparency in product labeling. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Patchology FlashPatch Restoring Night Eye Gels. Skincare can also be self-care. With Patchology FlashPatch Restoring Night Eye Gels, you can treat your eyes to a mini mask every night. The brand says that after only 5 minutes, the patches will restore healthy glow to your skin, but no need to save them for special occasions. The gel under eye pads can be used as part of your nightly routine. The number 8 position is held by Kate Somerville Retinol Firming Eye Cream. Whether it's added years to your life or added stress to your years, the result is often fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. Kate Somerville Retinol Firming Eye Cream. The brand says you could see fewer lines after only 1 use. This is probably an exaggeration, but the product also comes dermatologist recommended. This cream rejuvenates puffy eyes and improves elasticity of the under eye area, says Chimento. It also smooths the skin, reduces the appearance of dark spots, and improves the appearance of firmness. Next, at number 9, we have Olive Eye Contour Cream. Turns out, olives belong somewhere other than a dirty martini. They are also great on your face. Olive Eye Contour Cream is one product in a line of natural skincare made from, you guessed it, olives. The purely plant-based eye cream comes from an olive estate in New Zealand and is about as natural as an eye cream can get. It's even Natru certified through the International Natural and Organic Cosmetics Association. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Baebody Eye Gel. When it comes to eye skin, time is the ultimate enemy, okay? UV exposure is pretty bad too. So Baebody Eye Gel was developed to reduce all signs of aging, puffiness, dark circles, under eye bags, and wrinkles. And it uses just about every tool in the ingredient box to do just that. This eye cream comes highly recommended by Dr. Jalaman. This eye gel has propeptides and amino acids, she explains. These ingredients trigger cells in a way that ultimately aid in reversing the signs of aging. And that's not all. Jalaman goes on to say the Matrixyl 3000 diminishes darkness and puffiness, and the vitamin E in this gel helps to reduce wrinkles and keep the skin looking youthful, she says. It protects against exposure to free radicals and reduces the appearance of aging by supporting collagen production and elasticity. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.